Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can quickly make more money in the stock market without knowing the first thing about day trading, swing trading, forex, or even options. Now, if you know something or all about this, that's great. But basically, the important thing here is to understand you can use this strategy to multiply your returns. But I wanted to show you something called the backdoor strategy in the stock market that allows you to earn money even if you're a newbie or a complete beginner. And again, this isn't about buying low or selling high or doing anything with options. Today, I'm combining a strategy called affiliate marketing with the stock market that can help you launch an online business of your own. Now, if you want to know how I'm doing this, and how you can get started today, then stick around because I'm going to make sure you know exactly what you need to do to get going. But first, if you're new here, then you're in the right place if you want to learn how to make money online. My passion is using a strategy called affiliate marketing that's allowed me to make money online. And the crazy part is it doesn't require you to have your own product. You don't need to have your own course or even a website. I lay out exactly how it works in this channel and give you all the tools you need to get started completely free. So if that's something that you are interested in, go ahead and click the like button and the subscribe buttons so that you can be notified every single time we release a new training. Also, feel free to click and leave comments below. I really enjoy reading those and come up with ideas for affiliate marketing and incorporate those into my videos. So let's get into today's training on how you can earn money in the stock market without trading stocks, options, or Forex. Now, one thing I wanted to take a minute over is why the stock market can be dangerous. Now, you can make money in the stock market. You've probably seen or heard at least one person who has succeeded to make thousands or hundreds of thousands or even millions. So it's possible, but there are some challenges. For one, it's not beginner friendly. It's hard enough to simply start investing, let alone start day trading stocks. Investing requires certain skills to really generate a return. Even if you're investing for the long run, say with a 401k or an IRA, you still need to know some business fundamentals to make good investing decisions, or you need to hire a financial advisor, which is out to reach for many beginners. All the misinformation out there. If you're on TikTok, you've probably heard some pretty bad advice when it comes to investing because of how accessible it is today to start trading. A lot of people with no experience start sharing bad advice, leading many other beginners to make mistakes. Investing requires work, contrary to popular belief, and it can be challenging. And as far as success stories you've heard, there are at least 10 instances of people making poor investment strategies and losing everything. In most of these situations, people make big bets on unproven companies that went under. It's true that the higher the risk, the greater the possibility of large returns, but it's also true the higher the risk, the greater the possibility of an absolute soul-crushing failure. Now, my goal here isn't to discourage you from investing. It's a fantastic method to generate wealth, and I'd recommend it, that especially looking into it. I simply am pointing out the challenges that surrounding investing, such as day trading, to help see that it isn't for everyone. Also, it's important to note that investing in cryptocurrencies and precious metals and meme stocks are incredibly volatile and risky and should be approached with the understanding that no returns are guaranteed. There is, though, another way to make money in the stock market that requires far less upfront investment and way less risk. It's also, in my opinion, easier to get started and puts you in the position to succeed long term. And this is what I like to kind of call the back door, which is affiliate marketing. There are trading platforms that pay you and give you free stocks just for recommending them. Just some examples are Webull, First Trade, a company called Tastyworks, and another company called Robinhood. And all of these will pay you cash or stocks when someone simply signs up using your referral link. Now, here are some reasons I really like this method. There's no trading experience required. You don't have to trade, but are still making money when trades happen. Now, this is important. Be sure to Google stock trading, refer a friend programs for up-to-date offers because these things can change. New companies will come along and others will pull their referral programs. The cool thing, you don't need to know how to trade. You don't even need to provide any investing advice. You are simply helping people find the best platform for them. The reality is that there is a huge audience of people who are looking to trade in the stocks. They are going to sign up for these different sites regardless. Why not help connect people and get paid for referring them? And this is what makes affiliate marketing so powerful. You don't need to create an audience. The audience is already there. You're just serving as the connector. This is much easier than creating an audience or learning to trade stocks, and it's why I'm so passionate about affiliate marketing. Now, the third step is building an affiliate funnel. Now, when we talk about a funnel, we're talking about a method to collect email addresses and start making affiliate commissions. A funnel consists of an opt-in or landing page, the primary purpose being to collect an email address, followed up by a thank you page, which is then followed up by your affiliate offer. This works because there's no distractions. It's simple and direct, and we're focusing on building the most important asset you can, which is your email list. To do this, you first need to build an opt-in page that offers a free gift in exchange for an email address. If you're experienced, that free gift can be a guide to how to invest in stocks. If you're a beginner, create a list of the websites that offer free stock or cash to invest when they sign up. I personally use a software called ClickFunnels. There's a link in the description you can use to sign up for a free trial for this software. Now, here's an example of an opt-in page that you could use to promote this offer. As you can see, it's very simple, very quick. There is a quick description, and there's a link where you can put your email address in and get your free stock gift. Now, after someone subscribes, then you create a thank you page that gives them the free gift. Make sure you include your affiliate link so you can get paid every time someone signs up. The next step, or step 3, is to follow up with an additional offer or more through email. You now created an email list of people who are interested in investing in stocks. These are people who care about investing and want to start putting their money into stocks. You may send them to, say, Robinhood right after they subscribed. But there are so many other platforms and other opportunities for people investing. Whether it's courses or training on coaching or investing, you can be an affiliate of those different types of offers that are interested in your email list. And as mentioned earlier, there are also tons of different investing platforms and apps. Becoming an affiliate for them and start promoting them in your emails. This is how you make a profit in the stock market without investing any money in stocks yourself. This is a very simple way, but truly, it's one way to be able to make money online. Now, if you've loved the value I've given you so far in this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll keep dropping these videos for you, and I don't want you to miss out. Now, the fourth thing that you want to do is to build an ecosystem. If you love this idea, but you want to take it to the next level, you want to put it all together and create an ecosystem. I have something special for you. Now, imagine that when someone opts into your list, you have a machine that automatically starts recommending and promoting offers in the background. In other words, imagine that you have an entire ecosystem working to generate profit for you. Sound interesting? This is all possible through a program called Partner with Anthony. Honestly, it's the most valuable course I've ever signed up for. The course allows you to partner with the digital marketing expert, Anthony Morrison, and tap into his ecosystem in this for promotion. So instead of making one commission, you're making multiple commissions. Instead of just having one thing that makes you money, you'll have a list of things that make you money, all intertwined and connected. There's actually a free training that describes more about this partnership program, and I've linked it in the description. All you need to do is click that link, watch the training, and take action. I truly believe that this is the best course if you want to build a business on the internet. Again, click on the link that you see below. Make sure you learn about using Anthony's ecosystem to build your business. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video. Now, thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you next time.